they will come for campaign. Because I don't want to have to campaign. But what I've told, I said clearly, I didn't say that nobody should use primary school or secondary school for campaign. All I said, if you want to use primary school, if you want to use secondary school for a campaign, you deposit money so that when you get to the school or you spoil anything in the school, government will use that money to repair those things and clean up the school. Do you understand what I'm saying? And there are those who say they cannot. I say you can. If not, you will not do it. If you do it, you know where you will be. Do you understand me? We have also said, look, see the way we are trying to make Ahuda be. Assuming this was a flyover now, how do you support people carry posters and put all over the flyover? Will you be happy? Will you be happy? Some people put their campaign offices in where people are living. Somebody's coming back to his house. He cannot enter his house. Why? Because they are holding a political meeting. We say, look, no. This thing has to be regulated. Let it be non-residential areas. They said they will not. I said you will. If you don't try, if you try it by force, you go to jail. So I saw one or two riffraffs. If you don't seek for approval, you will be made to face the rest of the law. Nobody can dare it. They are boasting. They have the army. They have the police. I have no business. As far as I'm concerned, as far as the law is on our side, do not be afraid. We have the capacity to challenge them. Do you understand me? We have the capacity to challenge them. We don't want to be violent. And I urge you not to be violent, that we will use the instrumentality of the law to face them.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.